How to fix Apollo Group TV not loading or working. I'm going to tell you how to fix Apollo Group TV if it's not loading or working. First, check your internet connection. Apollo needs a stable high-speed connection, so if it's buffering or stuck, restart your router or switch to a better network. Next, force close and reopen the app. If that doesn't work, clear the cache. On Fire Stick, go to Settings, Applications, Manage installed applications, then look for Apollo Group TV, and then clear cache and clear data. Still not working? Uninstall and reinstall it. Make sure you're using the latest APK version. If the app crashes or won't load, an outdated version is usually the reason. If you're using VPN, try turning it off. Some VPNs can block or slow down the stream. And always double check the login details. Expired subscriptions or wrong credentials can block access. Last resort, reboot your device entirely. Sometimes, a fresh start is all it takes.